मेरी
डंडाउत बंधन अनक बार सर्ब कला समरथ डोलन ते रखो प्रभु नानक दे कर हथ तेरे जोर मैं गुंगा कहता हूँ तेरा सदका तेरी शरण सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जी आपे भुखा होए खै वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह धन धन सतगुरु Sahib Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, the Guru Khalsa Sadh Sangat Ji. We're blessed again to be gathered together to try and understand Bhai Gurdas Sahib Ji, the Avara, so we can understand Gurbani and Gursikhi better, as the Avara were blessed by Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji as the way to understanding, as the key to understanding Gurbani and Gursikhi. We've reached the third body of the second Var, and in this Var, Bhai Sahib Ji is giving us different examples showing how God exists everywhere. Their energy is everywhere, their power is everywhere, and it's without and with their blessings that we can even move, blink, and we can we do anything in this world, and because they exist within us. So let us concentrate on this body and see how we can understand that message. Satnam Sri Vaheguru Sahib Ji, Ape Pukha Hoye Ka, Aap Jaye Rasoi. So when we're hungry, or somebody's hungry, they'll go to the rasoi, the kitchen themselves, and they'll start making food. Ape pukha hoy ka, aap jaye rasoi. So when we're hungry, we'll go to the kitchen and we'll make food. They're going to use an example of somebody who's hungry and the food they make and the delights that we eat and the enjoyment that we have. Bhai Sahib Ji is using that example in this body. Bhojan aap banaye da ras vich ras goi. So while we're making the food, the bhojan, while we're making the food ourselves, ras vich ras goi. As we can smell those, the fragrances of the food as we're mixing, the ras of the different rases that are there, ras vich ras goi, we're excited and we are enjoying that ras that is coming from the food. And then obviously when we eat the food, we enjoy that. The different types of ras, we have sweet, we have salt, we have different masale. And that's what somebody who's making food, a cook, is doing. They're enjoying making the food, knowing that they're ready to taste and have that ras themselves. Ape khai salah ke hoy tript samoi. So once the cook then eats the food, tests the food, they enjoy the food and they praise their own making of the food, and their tript, their thirst is quenched. Hoy tript samoi. They're happy and delighted that they've eaten that food that they cooked themselves. And so how does that link with Gursikhi? Bhai Sahib Ji continues, Ape rasiya aap ras ratana poi. So Vaheguru themselves gives us the prerna inside us when we want to join with Gursikhi, when we want to become one with Vaheguru. They are the ones who have given us the Shabad. They put that prerna inside of us. They give us that energy to move, and then we start reciting that Shabad ourselves. We start keeping a rehet, which is like cooking the food. So we give ourselves a good discipline, and then we enjoy that food, which is the ras of Gurbani, and that ras is themselves anyway, because that ras is Naam, which is the form of Vaheguru. So Vaheguru themselves, through their blessings, we are finding and realizing and experiencing them. Without their blessings, we cannot have any experience of Vaheguru. Data Bhugta Aap Hai Sarbang Samoi. So Data, the great giver, Vaheguru, Bhugta, the receiver, who's us, Aap Hai. They are one and they're the same, because Vaheguru exists everywhere. Vaheguru exists within us. Vaheguru is Nirgun and Sargun, Sarbang Samoi. They are permeating through all their creation. So that is the only way. Through their blessings do we realize that they exist everywhere. And at the end of this body, as always, Bhai Sahib Ji saying, Ape aap vartada Gurmukh sukh hoy. So Gurmukh, the one who listens to the Mukhi Guru, Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, who follows their teachings, listens, believes and follows those teachings, they come to realize, and they get that ras themselves, they come to realize that Ape Aap Vartada, Vaheguru exists with themselves, and it's through Vaheguru Ji's blessings that we can even actually recite and become one with Vaheguru. This is the message in this body. They've used a cook as an example and eating of food to describe that through Vaheguruji's blessings we can become one with the Lord, and it's them themselves that are giving us that energy to be able to get up and become closer to them. If I've made any mistakes or offended anybody, I beg for forgiveness. Sadh Sangat Ji, bless me so I can continue sharing these teachings so we can all understand Gurbani and Gursikhi better. Deho sajjan asisidiyan Jehovah Sahib Sumel lekha ka tehna shutiya khen khen pulan har baksle nanak par utar ape aap vartada gurmukh sukh hoy. Vaheguru ji ka khalsa, Vaheguru ji ki fateh.
मेरी कलम